Let's walk through the job settings in your Jobman software. On the user menu panel, scrolling down to the bottom, click on settings to get started. Now the settings page is open, scroll down to jobs, click to open the job settings. Here is where you can add or edit details, statuses and types. Let's look at details. Click to open. Details allows you to collect required info for your jobs. To add a new details question, click on create. In the name field, you can add your name for your question name. From the drop-down tab, you can select your required answer type. For this example, let's make this question detail installer. From the question type, choosing the required question type, I'm going to use staff member. Click on it to select. Also, I have some actions here to make this question answer required or not required. I'm leaving it unticked. Click on create to save, and installer has been added as a question. Looking at statuses next, click on statuses tab. In here, you've got your existing statuses set in the software. To update one of the existing statuses, simply click on it to open. Up the top here, you've got these working tabs for update. Set as a default, which means this is the status the job will start at, or delete. To update the name of a status, click on update. In the name field, I can change the name. I also have an action here. If this job finishes at this status, I can tick or I can leave it as unticked. I'm leaving it as unticked and saved to make the changes. Now that this has been changed, I can go back to my statuses. If you want to add a new status, you can click on create, type in the name of the status. For this example, I'm using drafting. Then you can either tick or untick this action. The job finishes at this status, it needs to be ticked. If not, leave as unticked. To finish, hit create. The status has now been created. Going back to statuses, if you do wish to delete more than one at once, simply tick on the checkboxes in front of the status. Over here to the right, with selected, from the drop-down menu, you can delete multiple at once. Going back to the job settings, let's look at types. Click on the types to open. In here, you'll have your existing job types, which helps you identify and label your jobs when you create them in the software. To update an existing type, click on it to open, click on update, or you can click on delete to remove. Clicking on update again allows you to name the type as required and save the changes. Going back to types, if you wish to create a new one, simply click create, type in the name, and in this example here, vinyl doors is my new job type. Simply hit create and the type has now been added. You can update or delete further. Going back to types, you can now see I've got my new job type added to this list. Are you still requiring further assistance on this topic or any other topic in Jobman software? No problem at all. See here these help article links. Simply click on these at the top of the page and your questions will be answered on this topic or any other topic further in Jobman.